Good morning, children. Now, the third part of the Rajput Age chapter I am going to explain. Here, written see Rashtrakutas ruled South India. Rashtrakutas means this one also a dynasty's name who ruled over South India. With the fall of Chalukya dynasty, Rashtrakutas came to power. Came to power. Rashtrakuta means head of a state or area. It is believed that the founder of the dynasty was an officer of that community and hence the dynasty was named after him. Out of many rulers, Govind III was the most powerful king. In the 8th century, he established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan. Here telling कि Rashtrakuta ruled over South India, Chalukya dynasty fall and Rashtrakuta came into power. Rashtrakutas meaning also here given head of a state or area. किसी area का head जो होता है that is called Rashtrakuta in their language. It is believed that the founder of the dynasty means जिसने ये dynasty establish किया was an officer of that community. Community means a group of people, those who were there. The head of that community was the founder of this Rashtrakuta dynasty and hence the dynasty was named after him. That's why on his name Rashtrakutas name this group of people or community people their group name was written Rashtrakuta. Among this dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Govind III was the most powerful king at that time. He established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan. Deccan means the South India. Now next one is which dynasty? The Pandyas. This is the another dynasty. The Pandyas also ruled over South India. The Pandya dynasty is believed to be very ancient, means बहुत ही पुराना है. Megasthenes, the Greek traveler, notes that females used to rule in this community. Means Megasthenes also means like that when Sang came in Harshvardhan time like that. Megasthenes was also a Chinese traveler, Greek traveler who came in India in this period of time when Pandya dynasty was ruling. The inscription of Emperor Ashok also contain reference to the Pandyas, means telling कि you know ना about the Ashoka Samrat Ashok in 7th standard you read he had inscribed so many things. Inscription means he had written so many good things, notices on the pillars or rocks. So that is called inscription. So when we read about the Ashoka's inscription, we came to know about this dynasty, Pandya dynasty also. The Pandya ruled in present-day Madurai and Tiruvandavali in Tamil Nadu, means Tamil Nadu area. This Pandya dynasty we can see there. Cheras ruled over South India. Chera is now known as Kerala. Chera, uh, Chera is known as Kerala because early time Tamil Nadu and Kerala was a one state only. Afterward it was separated. In ancient time Kerala was part of the Tamil states. Later on Kerala or Malayalam state separated. Kepalputra Rajas is mentioned in the inscription of Ashoka. Athens II was the first strong ruler of this dynasty. Cheran Shatrunjava was a powerful ruler of this dynasty. So here you came to know कि early days Kerala and Tamil Nadu was a one state. Afterward they were separated and separate language were existed. And in this Pandya dynasty, Athens II and Cheran Shatrunjava was a powerful ruler of this dynasty. Cheran Shatrunjava. What a difficult name. Now next page come things to know. Dynasties of South India in the medieval period. Chalukyas ruled Vatapi. Rashtrakutas ruled Meniakheta. Hoysala ruled Dwar Samudra. Yadavas ruled Devgiri. Cholas ruled Tanjore. Now about the Rajput we are going to read. The chapter name is Rajput Age, and now we are going to about them. Rajput were very brave. They felt proud to give up their lives for their country. To die but never fear, to protect those who seek refuge, to speak the truth and fight for truth were the special traits. Means these are the qualities. Rajput among every time they, as we will say, Rajput means they were known as very brave. As the name suggests, they were very brave person. They are every time ready to give up their lives. मीन्स हमेशा वो अपने को कुर्बान करने के लिए रेडी रहते थे. टू डाई बट नेवर फियर, डरते नहीं थे चाहे मर ही जाए. टू प्रोटेक्ट दोज हु सीक रिफ्यूजी, जो शरण में आते थे उनको प्रोटेक्ट करते थे. टू स्पीक द ट्रूथ, हमेशा सच बोलते थे. एंड फाइट फॉर ट्रूथ वेयर देयर स्पेशल ट्रेड, और सच के लिए वो फाइट भी करते थे. ये उन सब की क्वालिटीज़ थी. राजपूत वुमेन Rajputani were known for their chastity and fearlessness. Not only men, Rajput women were also very brave. They were also very brave and fearless. उनको किसी चीज़ में डर ही नहीं लगता था. They sent their husband, sons and brothers to the battlefield with a smile face. इवन दे वर वेरी ब्रेव कि कभी भी उनको हस्बैंड, सन, ब्रदर किसी को बैटल में जाना होता था, युद्ध में, तो वो कभी रोते नहीं थे. हंस के अच्छे से उनको विदा करते थे. दे वेयर सो ब्रेव दैट इफ़ नीड बी दे वुड फाइट ऑन द बैटल फील्ड. दिस स्टोरी यू कैन सॉ इन द महाराणा प्रताप सीरियल ऑल्सो. दे वर शोइंग कि दोज राजपूतानी वर वेरी ब्रेव, कि उन लोग इतने ब्रेव होते थे कि सम टाइम इफ़ नीडेड तो दे वर गोइंग फॉर बैटल ऑल्सो. दे प्रीफर जौहर टू बर्न अलाइव इफ़ देयर हस्बैंड वेयर डिफीटेड और अटेंड martyrdom in wars. They were so brave कि if in the battlefield their husbands were defeated, अगर हस्बैंड लोग हार गए हैं तो उन लोग को फिर दूसरा राजा, जीतने वाला राजा टॉर्चर करेगा, उनकी रानियों को भी परेशान करेगा. तो दोस्त रानी अपने को बचाने के लिए पूरा एक कुआं जैसा होता था, उसमें आग जला के उन लोग जम कर जाते थे. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड जौहर. और शहीद हो, मार्टीड्रम मीन्स अपने को वॉर में शहीद कर लेते थे. द हीरोइक स्टोरीज ऑफ राजपूत एज आर इनग्रेव्ड इन गोल्डन लेटर्स इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया. तो हियर टेलिंग कि राजपूत और राजपूतानियों की जो ये ब्रेवरी की स्टोरी है, ये गोल्डन वर्ड में हिस्ट्री के पन्नों में लिखा हुआ है. So these are the story in this stanza is very important for you to learn about 3 points for Rajput and 3 points for Rajputanis. You have to write as a short note. Now story is over. Now question answer remain. First question is, who were known as feudal lords? Samantas. It is given in your book only. See second page of the chapter. Here. Who is a feudal lord or landlord? The vast empire, you can start in Rajput age like that. The vast empire was divided into different provinces, 3 parts. The person who collected the revenue of a particular province was called landlord or feudal lord. Up to here only you can write. Don't need to write elaborate how much they are asking, that much you answer. Name a powerful ruler of the Pallav dynasty. Mention any two of his achievements. Pallav dynasty, find out. Here somewhere is there. Yes, last stanza. Third page, last stanza. The kingdom of the Pallava Panchola dynasty. Here. So who was the strong ruler of Pallava dynasty? Here, second line, see, Narsingh Varma was a strong ruler of Pallava dynasty. This dynasty were lover of art and literature. The Kailashnath temple of Kanchi is the best example of Pallava architecture. Up to there you write as a second answer. Achievement, asking the achievement you can learn. A lover of art and literature and architect, they were made that Kanchipuram temple. That those two line you fit right here as a second answer. Third question asking which period is known as the early medieval period. Which period is known as an early medieval period? I think it is given in the second page, but it is not clear. Every year it is creating problem. I think it will be 12th century, like that. Here somewhere I think written is 7th century C. 7th century C, not 12th, 7th century C. This number you have to mention as a third answer. Which period is known as the early medieval period? 17th century period is known as the early medieval period. Now fourth question, describe the characteristic of the medieval Rajput men and women. That I said after explanation of this last stanza. From here this stanza you have to find out 3 quality of men and 3 quality of Rajput women, and your answer will be ready. Now what is there? Here answer also I am telling, wait 1 minute. First line you can write. First you write from the question line. The characteristics of the medieval Rajput men and women were. Then first you write Rajput heading, side heading. Then write first point, Rajput were very brave. Second point, they felt proud to give up their lives for their country. Third point you can write, to die but never fear. These all up to special trait. Third line, special trait you can write as a man. Then about the women also, so many points are here. Rajput women were known for their chastity and fearlessness. They send, second point, they send their husbands, sons and brother to be battlefield with a smiling face. Then this third point, they prefer Johar to burn alive if their husbands were defeated or attend martyrdom in wars. Like this you can write. Now come to this point also, things to know box. Ranki Vav. Ranki Vav is a 7-storied stable in Patan, Gujarat. Udaymati, the wife of Bhimdev II, constructed it. It is an unparalleled example of a stone architectural structure. अनपैरेलल मीन्स इसके जैसा दूसरा कोई कंपेयर करने वाला नहीं है, स्टोन से बना हुआ कहीं नहीं मिलता. स्टेप वेल मीन्स दिस इज अ कुआं है, इसमें सीढ़ी है चारों तरफ और उसमें जैसे जैसे पानी भरता रहता है वाटर लेवल ऊंचा होता रहता है और इस तरह पानी में डूबा रहता है. सीढ़ी तब दिखती है जब वाटर लेवल डाउन हो. अगर आप गर्मी में जाओगे तो वाटर लेवल बहुत नीचे जाएगा, तो आप स्टेप्स देखोगे साइड में रूम जैसा कुछ ऐसा रहेगा. नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट, वस्तुपाल एंड तेजपाल बिल्ड जैन टेम्पल इन दिलवारा इन माउंट आबू, राजस्थान, इन विच marble pillars, arches, domes, balconies, etc. were engraved minutely by skilled artists. Minutely means बड़ी बारीकी से उस पर तरह तरह के पिक्चर्स, इनग्रेव मीन्स खोदा गया है, और उसको स्किल्ड लेबर, जो बहुत ही स्किल्ड है माने बहुत ही शातिर लेबर्स ने ये सब कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है. एंड हु कंस्ट्रक्टेड दिस? वस्तुपाल और तेजपाल, नेम टू ब्रदर्स. दे हैड बिल्ड दिस दिलवारा Jain temple. It is situated in Mount Abu. Third point, Vastupal and Tejpal were the minister of Rana Virdhaval of Dholka. Fourth point, Vastupal constructed Jain temple at Girnar, Palitana, Shertha, Daboi in Gujarat, etc. So in things to know box, first 2 points are very important. With this chapter is finished. You complete your these 4 question answer only, and how many fill-ups I am giving, that one is also according, because in this chapter fill-ups are coming mostly, and 1-2 question, these questions are enough, no need to do extra, but fill-ups you do properly or read the chapter properly. So here today I am ending. Next topic is location and time. We will read start next week. Okay, till bye, thank you.